Welcome back to Crypto News. And let's go ahead and hit our top indicators, which today is going to be our Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, Ripple, and Litecoin. Well, Bitcoin, it is still coming back up. It is trying to break that high from the other day, which is really good to see that it's still pumping. We got Ethereum, it's at $309. We got Dash, which is at 247, and it's up 14%. You got Ripple, which I don't even like talking about. It's been hovering around this area for so long, I'm not sure if it's ever going to move. And we got Litecoin. Don't forget, Litecoin has some people in the background starting to work on that blockchain and seeing what they can do to improve it. Probably give it a little bit of publicity out there. I think as in world events, everything has calmed down with Korea, but that's still, which is interesting because Bitcoin and everything is not really paying attention. It is still going up against that grain. I guess the only other thing we have is domestic issues in the United States with President Trump and racist remarks and racist thoughts, however you want to think it or play it. But it does appear that that might be the only effect we have. We'll see what happens today in the markets to see if they're going to run with it or if it's going to play down. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the one-day chart. One-day chart, still got a little bit of room to go up here for that upper Bollinger Band. It's looking at 45.90. RSI is jamming. I'm telling you, it is up there. The MACD, it's kind of high. But we still have some people buying up. Volume still looks not too bad. Volume still moving, not too bad at all. We do have support. Where is the support? Would be at? It'd be at that EMA, and that EMA is the 4-hour MEA, and it is at 42.92. So I'd say we got support at 42.92. I do like looking at this Bitcoin on the 5-hour chart. It might be coming down a little bit. We're still looking at that EMA right about here. That is going to be 43.85. On the 5-hour, the RSI looks a lot healthier. Considering it's Bitcoin, that's still high, but with Bitcoin, it's just it's a miracle. I tell you, it's a miracle. We got the 1-hour. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. It's definitely above that 1-hour Bollinger Band. I would be looking for a little bit of consolidation, come back down to a nice little healthy state. Get that RSI down even further a little bit here. Do have, boy, look at that. That was a lot of volume right there on that. Let's jump over here to Ether. And Ethereum on the 1-day. It is playing with that double high over here. I don't see any profit taking yet. RSI got a little ways to go. Bollinger Band, I guess we could go all the way up to $348. I'm not sure if we're going to make it that far today or tomorrow. It might, but that is as far as it should go. Just remember, I am not a financial advisor. Also, let's go ahead and take a look at that on the 5-hour chart. 5-hour chart. We're right now at the resistance from yesterday, from the last 5 hours. This one, the upper Bollinger Band, is at 311. We really need to get past this resistance right here. That's a pretty good resistance for Ethereum, and that is at the 316 mark. We do it does look pretty healthy right here on that MACD. MACD starting to open up a little bit. Another one I want to talk a little bit about is NEO. If you guys have heard about NEO, don't be kicking yourselves in the butt for NEO. NEO is kind of hard to get into. If you look at it back on the 17th, it was down around $1 or so. And supposedly this is China's Ethereum that they're trying to work with. And it has jumped up to $40 or so. But I'll tell you why I love this site if you get a chance, called CoinMarketCap. If you go over to CoinMarketCap, you can click on Markets, and it will tell you. You could get into it in Bittrex and other ones. Other than Bittrex, it was pretty much a Chinese kind of market, and those Chinese markets are not the funnest thing to get into, and I'm not even sure if I want to be in any of them. I believe I went to go get into this one right here. They wanted your passport. I thought it was driver's license. I gave them a driver's license, but they actually wanted your passport. So they really want a lot of info from you for that. But this site is really nice. You can go over here and look at social. It'll tell you what's going on with it. It's mainly a tweeter feed on any of that stuff. So it looks like they're pushing Neo pretty good. Let's jump over here to Ether Delta. Top coin on Ether Delta is 0x. Don't be tricked here, even though the bid says 9.1 and the offer is 5.5. Good luck on trying to get into that 9.1. Also, we're looking at PPT right now, which is Populous. And someone put in a bid for 27. Makes you want to buy right into it, doesn't it? So, Populous, let's go here and look at the trading for Populous. It looks like yesterday or the day before, I think it got down to about 14. We're up to 17. CDT, which is the coin that is used for piggybacking off of other investors. It's still hovering around here. It used to be number 1 being traded. It is now down to number 3. We got Pillar. Pillar still making some good gains. Geez, I remember just probably about it's up over 100% within the past week. I think it was down to like 0.002, 0.001. Yeah, it was way down there. But I do like Pillar just because of the company that's doing it. They try to put out videos on YouTube sporadically and keep you updated, which I do like to hear and see that. Dent. I really like this. Pay's been interesting. I did see a video on Pay where someone did get their card and they were actually using it. Seemed to be pretty fast transactions to me for Pay, considering it's going through Ether and stuff. But I think time will tell. Keep an eye on that one. If that does start to work out good with the card, it should be interesting to see what it's going to happen with their with the price of the Pay token. Other than that, my friends, that is about all I have for you today. Let's check back. If I run into anything, I might throw out another video for us. Thanks a lot for joining me, and you have a great day, or as the Russian hacker would say, have a good day.